Nothing worse than your video stand's broken for the day. Darn cold temperatures. YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. Early cold morning. I think it's like 8 degrees. It's been in the 50s, 40s and 50s. A lot of snow melt off. Yeah, you can see it kind of melting off. All my rabbit cages don't have snow on them anymore. They had inches of snow. But hey, let's get going. We'll check in on the lambs. Frog is about ready to give birth. It looks like she had some discharge, so we'll take a good close look this morning, see where we're at. Well, here we are and back. They're a little noisy. Jenny's wanting some feed. There's Frog. No, Frog is not there. That's 57. There's Frog and back. She was laying down last night and this morning when I came out. There's one of the lambs. I'll have to get a better look at her. She's very skittish though, so it's kind of hard to catch her. Is that right, Bandit? You don't care. He just wants food. So does Jenny. Right, girl? We'll get you some food. Back here feeding Jenny, and I noticed this one chicken over here, the little bantam, has got some blood underneath its mouth. See if I can get in on it. There, you can kind of see it. But this one's never really shown out to be a rooster, but it probably is. Yeah, there it is. It might be a rooster, it might not. It doesn't have spurs. It looks like it might be spurred. But that chicken's about 5 months old. So I have a feeling it got into it with the bantam rooster. And more than likely it's a rooster. So I'll have to keep an eye on that. If it's really bad, I'll put some blue coat on it. If you don't have blue coat and you have chickens, first thing you should do is go out and buy some blue coat. It's a great thing for when they fight or get, you know, blood on them or any kind of certain issues, like if they get a scrape on their feet or whatever, you blue coat them, and it kind of, it's an antifungal and it kind of keeps them from getting issues. It's kind of like if you watch any hoof trimming videos and they always spray that green spray on them. It's kind of very similar to that. It's an antifungal, antibacteria. It's just a simple spray. Just watch it. You'll turn your hands purple. All right. I'm going to try to find the other rooster and see what we got. We'll find that rooster, but got all the goats here. They still have hay. And I got the sheep over there. I know they're out. But there's the lambs. They're out already. And some people might ask, what's the difference between goats and sheep? My chickens are eating my feed here. Look at them. Oh, so's the duck. What's up, statue? Well, the lambs are braver, but they're headed out. But what's the difference between those two? They're both ruminants. They both will eat lesser than great stuff. But these guys will pasture. 80% of these guys will not pasture. They'll eat the hay out of a feeder because they eat from above. These guys eat with their head down. But they will eat certain brush. Is that right? There's the boy. He's a no-name. He will be weathered. There's Mary. What's up, Mary? Get under the fence. Wait till you guys learn what a fence is. Wait till I turn it on. You're not going to be happy. You got to jump over the line, honey. Oh, well. I can hear it running. It's frozen, though. I hear you, Eleanor. What I noticed though too is like lambs they're out and about much sooner than the baby goats. At least for us. I mean, they're out. Third day, they're outside. They're already trying to be mischievous. Jane's going over to the pigs. That's her newfound friends. She tries to get grain off of them. What's up, Joker? Hey, Sally. You'd think I'd be popular or something. There's Frog. Hey, Frog. Come on, let's get a good look at you. You're looking... I can't really see on her. The darn sheep keep on trying to get my bucket, but they are not grain fed at all. They're all grass. Oh well, can't really see much on her. Those heated waters for the rabbits, I can't tell you how much time that has saved me over this year. I've had a couple issues with the ground fault circuit. I replaced it. It started working again. But I got 4 of these on my 4 cages, and they're worth every dime. We bought them used off a marketplace, but you can find them. They're like $25 a piece. All right, it's just very cold. Got some water open for the sheep, got water for the goats, got the pigs fed. Everyone's fed. I think I'm going to go in and work on my coal fire. It looks like it's going now. Someone just shot something. Or something broke. It's probably ice breaking in the ground. Because it thawed so much. Then that wire gets in the ground and it freezes and it cracks. Alright. I don't know. I'm kind of blanking out. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Appreciate all the new subscribers. We're really close to 100. I think we're at 94 this morning. Help us get to 100. All right. I'll talk to you later.